Sudarshan, orthopedician from Extreme Orthopedics team. I want to discuss today how to tackle orthopedic problems in winter. Especially in winter, already people suffering from arthritis like rheumatoid arthritis or age-related arthritis will get aggravated during winters. Most probably the reasons could be in winter most of the people will become inactive as physical activity is very essential for the body to maintain good health and also very essential for our joints to maintain mobility of the joints and to prevent stiffness. And also in winter, stiffness of muscles and ligaments will be increased so that joint activity will get decreased. And also in winters, viscosity of the blood will be more and blood supply to that parts of the body where there is more inflammation, their blood supply will be less. When there is less blood supply, automatically pain will get aggravated. One more reason, protective fluid inside the joints. As you know, there will be synovial fluid which helps in mobility of the joints. It will get thicker in winters so that mobility of the joints will be decreased and nerves become more sensitive during winters. People will perceive more pain. And one more reason, we have a blood circulation to the peripheral parts of the body like joints, arms, forearms, legs will get decreased compared to central parts of the body like visceral organs. So that could be one of the reason for increased pain in winters. So like to tackle with winter problems in joints, we can follow some home remedies. In winter, you have to maintain warm environment, cover all your body parts sufficiently so that pain will get decreased, and also apply some hot pack to the inflamed joints and don't do any massages. Physical activities must in winters. Exercises you can do at home like treadmills and keep the body active, which will increase the joint mobility. And also take adequate nutrition like excess of vitamin D and vitamin C during winters, which also helps in maintaining the body health. And you can follow physical activity and you can do some stretching exercises which help in stretching the ligaments and help in moving the joints, and all strengthening exercises you can do at home. Heat pads can be applied but only moderate heat up to tolerable levels only. Hydrate body well as water is very essential for our body to maintain joint health and general health of the body, and well-balanced diet is very much important. In spite of following all these things, if your pain is aggravated and all, you have to consult an orthopedician.